How do you end a partnership and sell your home with smooth communication? Dancing through a divorce is full of challenges, but the best way to accomplish the goal is to have help in communicating with all involved. Hi, I'm Andrea Larsen, and I've coached and mediated couples and guided them to partnerships over 25 years. I'm going to share with you the 4 C's of ending a partnership. Number 1, coaching. Make sure you hire outside help. It is important to work with a realtor when selling your home during divorce. They will be a neutral third party who will keep you on your deadlines, communicate between parties when needed, and provide you with resources for transitioning into new living arrangements. Number 2, clarity. Both of you should be clear about what you want and put it in writing. Keep in mind, this is a starting point. We rarely get everything we want in life, but it's important to know where to start. So as your coach, I will assist you both in moving towards a place of compromise. Remember, you are now in a working partnership with the goal of selling the house and moving to the next chapter in as a healthy mindset as possible. Number 3, consistency. Divorce brings a lot of chaos and emotions, but you will want to focus on consistency in decision making as much as possible. Your realtor will help you with deadlines and making sure the sale moves forward as quickly as needed. But last-minute changes or reactions based on emotions will slow things down. Try to be consistent in doing what you say you will do with the home sale decisions. Number 4, comfort. Feeling many different emotions is normal during the challenging of divorce. It's a very tough time, and selling a home that may have good and bad memories can be even harder. Make sure you let your realtor know what you are and are not comfortable doing in the process of communicating. If you prefer no face-to-face with the other party or have a specific timeline request for moving, need a certain schedule for showings due to children, or want to negotiate certain items. Sometimes it may be as simple as requesting no group text between you and your ex, and in the end, your realtor is working to sell your home with as few issues as possible for both parties, and coach you to a successful closing of one chapter so that you can move on to the next chapter. Again, I'm Andrea Larsen. Make it a great home selling and buying day. I love where I live, and I want you to love where you live too, and I can guide you through this rough time in this process. Give me a call. Have a great day.